one of the my favorite David Austin rose that is kind of like with a purple tone, magenta color to it. This is called the Dark Lady. It has really gorgeous magenta color, but with a rich purple tone undertone to it. And if you can see, it actually has a really big bloom from it. Very rich purple, and it's pretty its health is actually getting better as it matured, because this is actually a 3 years old rose for me. You can see, I mean, we are in a very humid area, so it is very common that we get black spot. It's just so common, and I don't spray my garden, so it is definitely a good blooming rose for my area, because it actually bloom like this during the summer as well, when it's like 100 degree out there, or 95 or 99. It's still blooming like this, which is not many roses actually do that, really. And it doesn't have much fragrance to it, but I mean, look at all the buds that it sent me, and it doesn't stop the entire year, and it repeat really fast. So for me, this rose is totally worth to grow in a southern garden, just because of how gorgeous it is. So this is called the Dark Lady from David Austin.